Okay, I gave you your two, and then that's just a random one that we just. Alright, this one we can just stick in here. Ooh, that feels good. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in there. I'm just going to stick this in here.
Oh my gosh.
This is just going to go in here. This is just an extra. Okay. This in here. Oh my god, I did not want to do that because these are so pretty. Keep these containers.
I'm keeping one of these.
Yeah, because we're going to
not mixing
because
this
we're going to
I'm
split
not
the
mixing
sun
this.
at last.
Okay, put that one in.
I don't want to.
Then we got this mixing plate, and then. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty.
Don't mix it in right now.
Okay. Now we're gonna add some snow.
Are you alive?
Wait.
You start.
No, it ain't on live right now. It's just like on camera and then you post it. It's like it's YouTube. I can't see it right now.
Okay, now we're gonna add some of this snow.
It's like baby diaper goo. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna add. We have some of these.
I'll add some of these. They're like little stars. Little foam beads.
And then we have little beads right here.
Okay, and then we're gonna start the mixing. If that's everything, yes. Alright, let's start the mixing. Okay.
Let's mix it.
I think we need.
It's rainbow.
This is gonna be so cool because we're gonna split this up.
It's gonna be brown.
Ew. Mama, that's cool.
Wait, hold on, let me show my mama. Mama, look at this slime. Look at it.
Okay, hurry. Oh, look at that. Oh, we need to try to get this
So pretty. I'm gonna add some more snow.
I don't need. Okay. Oh, look. You need. I think you need more hot water in it, cause it's like getting like it ain't like. You know what I mean? Like.
Oh my gosh, it just started growing. Literally, it's growing.
I have it opened. It was growing. Girl. This is not gonna get very It's just
Look
so
how
pretty.
pretty.
Yeah, this is like honestly.
Oh.
Ew. Wait, okay.
Is that hot?
No. Okay, let's clean it up with our slime.
We've only been in here for 6 minutes.
This is it right now. We should.
We kept these two out.
Yes. They're so pretty. And Okay, and now we're gonna put this to the side, and we have this from
That we
a
already
long
made.
time ago, and it's really good.
Put it right here to get all this out. Come so. Where's the other songs I was in your bedroom? Look at them, we can whatever.
There was only one.
Like this is really good too.
Oh, look.
Oh, I forgot the pink. Yeah.
I knew we were missing something.
Hold on, let me spread it. Oh my god, that feels kind of weird. It feels like the flark took over
I would touch that.
once because it's sticky. Not that sticky or whatever. I think the flark took over. Don't you think? Kind of. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's new.
I want this one. You do? Yeah. It's beautiful. You want my watch? Sure. But I want pink too. We should keep the floor.
Yeah, that one. And then we just put it in.
We'll just do half of it in. Oh yeah, we dropped that. It's over there growing.
Let's spread this out and put some. Like do this.
Okay, let me put more water.
Yeah, go put more. Well, no, let me get some of that out first.
Yeah, because it'll overflow. Come watch it grow. Come watch it grow.
There.
Come on.
I can see it from right here.
Come watch it. Really?
Oh my god, it feels like diaper goo. You know, like,
Yes.
oh,
We're making a mess.
oh well.
We both said I will. I told you to turn up brown.
Jalen. Jalen. Oh my god, this is nasty.
I know, it looks so nasty.
I mean, it feels good.
Took a war. I figured it turned out really bad and wouldn't stretch.
Snow. I think it needs more.
More what?
Like, overflowing, like, the hotness where it can grow. Yeah, go make it grow. It's getting, like, not, you know, at the bottom. I'm gonna spread it out first. We made a mess. We're gonna have to clean this up. Perfect. Wait, can people?
It's growing.
That needed a little bit more.
Okay, we're not messing with the snow anymore.
Not right now.
Oh my gosh.
Not as right now. We're not gonna mess with it.
Okay, I think the snow ruined it.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
So
good. Go cream it.
Ew. Smells like it's on fire. Yeah, I think the snow ruined it. Look at the other song that's in the bedroom. You know that thing that was in the stop ball thing?
That doesn't work.
Hey, I wonder if we add this clear glue in it. Can we do it?
Sure, I don't care. I don't use that.
Okay, we're gonna add this clear glue in it.
God, it feels so good.
Okay.
Right here.
Hope it does work. I mean, because it's turning out awful right as of right now.
You're gonna be so sticky.
And you stick your hand in it, so here, put your hand right there.
Oh Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
I think it did fix it. Okay, take it out real quick.
It's kind of stuck.
No, back up. Color.
Ew. Is she okay?
No, she just fell out of the chair. Get her. Get her.
Get up. Little incident.
That's why she don't need to stand up in the chair. We told you to get down, sweetie. Go play with your taco.
You're okay, baby.
Your smushy taco. We need nails. You want to mix that in it?
No. 'Cause that's really good.
So, I don't know what we're
Where are we
going to
gonna put this in?
Yeah, to like split it. We can put it in separate containers. Like half it into containers. Like we can split the containers up and then put.
This smell
mine in
feels
it.
so good.
Yeah, like just rub your hands across.
It does.
See, like feel at the bottom of this. This at the bottom it needed to be more snowy. You see how we're getting. So one time I was in Smokies and my brother, well, he had this. Lizzie put it in a bowl and Blaze got it and he started eating it. He thought it was ice cream. I mean, what do you call it?
Snooping.
Yeah, no, he thought it was like actual snow or forgot what he thought it was. Like literally.
He thought it was actual snow and he ate it.
Mhm.
Ew.
He was eating it. I'm like, please, that's
He can die.
yeah.
I
it
just
is.
want to pour all this out.
No, put it in that. Put it in there again, and let it pour it in there, in that, and then pour it, and then whatever it. I'm gonna put this to the side right now, and then. So we're probably gonna do more stuff to it, but we don't know what we got yet. So we're not gonna do anything right now.
It's growing really.
Oh, it's growing, so I'm gonna put this back right here. She can probably put it in this little hole. Let's see. See, it needs to be the gooey. Don't miss
Oh my
it.
gosh, it's so hot.
Let me see. Oh, the bottom ain't. Like it ain't gooey. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Pick some up and do this.
If y'all just want to come on.
Look at that. Watch. Watch.
So, we should like go get something to do more stuff to it to make it just like fun. Put that to the side because I think we ruined this.
No, we didn't.
I put that to the side. I'm gonna.
Here, I'll play with it so it'll. Look how big this is. We should do a tutorial where we fill the whole bathroom up with slime.
Oh yeah.
That's what I meant.
You think I should roll this in this? Think? I hope. Like, don't waste my phone. Like, hold on. What's your account name? And I can watch it on my phone. My hands are nasty. I don't want to touch my phone. It's covered in snow things.
Well, I'm videoing with my phone. My iPhone X. And at the end of this video,
I'm going to show your boyfriend.
if you like and subscribe, then we will give you the notification. Then we will make a notification squad, and if you're on it, we will. If you have TikTok, we will do a duet with you. Just comment.
And if you're... Okay, so if your name is
name is Caleb Coffee.
Caleb Coffee, this dude, hold on. Okay, so Caleb Coffee, we're gonna go do a duet to one of your TikToks. This dude.
We got this.
Is him and his dad?
Mom, look
Okay.
at this.
No. Yeah, that's bad. Okay, then now we're gonna go do it one of his TikToks. Okay, you think we should do it one of them?
What? Totally.
Totally. Like, totally. Okay, hold on, I have to go to his account. It shouldn't take that long. Alright, here he is. He's at the top of my friends list. Oh, and if you want to go friend us on TikTok, hers is,
Beep or no,
just
it's
say the name of
the Peanut Butter Kids.
it. And mine is,
Here,
I
show
have
them.
to spell my name out. We'll go follow him, Caleb Coffee. Well, if you can see
That
it.
is our crush.
And mine is Bradley Dawson 16. It's, hold on.
And
BRAELEIGHDAWSON 16. Okay, I'm gonna react to this one.
well, I am sorry. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
What?
I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and you will
I was trying to do
get
it.
a notification. And so, bye.